Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to reply comment with reels on Instagram. It's very easy guys. So this is actually a new update on Instagram, and it's available in all countries. So but you can actually reply comments with reels on Instagram on your old reels. Alright, so you need to do that with the new reels you have on your profile. Okay, so how can you do that? Now the first step to take is to open your Instagram app and head to your profile and choose a reels, and then I'm going to show you how you can reply to a comment. But just before I start, I would like you to know that this does not work on your old reels. Alright, so you need to have some new reels on your Instagram account before you can be able to do this. Alright, so as you can see, this is an example. This first video. As you can see, I just replied to a reels using this one. Now let me take you to this one. On this, I'm going to drop a comment on this reels from my other account, and then I'll show you how you can reply to this reels. Now how can I do that? So I'm just going to head back and switch to my other account, this one. I'll click on my followers and go to this account. Now this is my account I'm talking about. So I have all these reels on this account, so I will choose this reels, and click on the comment, and then I will drop a comment. Okay, let's say interesting video. So this is a comment I want to drop from this account. Now let me head back to the account that has this reels. So I'll head back to that account, and so this is the account. So I'll click on my reels and select the reel I just commented on. Alright, so I'm going to click on comment. So this is a comment I have on this reel. Now if you look right here, you find this reply to Zig the programming guy. Right here you see the option to reply to Zig the programming guy, which is the person who just dropped the comment. Alright, so you can click the reply and you can choose to reply, to mention the person's name, and then enter your reply. Or if you look at the bottom left corner, you're going to find this camera icon right there. Tap on it, and then you find the option to reply to this video using a reels. Now you can drag this comment anywhere on this reel, and then you can now start recording a video. Once you're done recording, click on next at the bottom right corner. Click on next again, and then if you want this to be shared on your feed, you can turn this on. If you don't want it, turn it off and click on share to reel. So to start posting these, or rather replying that comment with these reels we just created. Now let me take you back to my profile. So this is my profile. Now mind you, the reels we just replied to that comment with will be also posted on your Instagram account. You find it right here, and this is the reel. It's actually this first video right here on my profile, but this other one was the video we replied to So I'm going to go to the comment section, and you'll find the post right here. Now this was the comment, interesting video, and I replied with this video, right? So this is how I can do it. It's that simple, guys. Alright, hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.